Welcome, this is Jamb here. 2011 government passed question. Question number 31. The question says the action group crisis of 1963 led to the formation of dash. The action group crisis of 1963 led to the formation of dash. Now I want to talk of action group. Action group was formed by late Chief Obafemi Awolowo. Obafemi Awolowo. That was in 1951, and immediately the 1962 to 1963 crisis in the southwest began. The political party was dissolved, and after the crisis, Chief Moses Majekodunmi was appointed as the sole administrator of the southwest, and after then, late Chief Obafemi Awolowo now formed another party, and that is what the question is talking about. That it led to the formation of dash. Option A say NPC, B say NCNC, C say UPP, D say NEPU. The NPC means Northern People Congress. Then, as you all know, NCNC was formed by late Abat Macaulay, and it is known as National Council. Let's say this one stands for Northern People's Congress, and why NCNC stands for National Council of Nigeria and Cameroon. And when Cameroon left, the name was metamorphosed, and the correct option here about this question is option C, which is Unity People's Party. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.